Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Hashim Ali Khan. So now I am starting the next problem on agricultural income. The next problem is 8th and 9th. Already 7 problems I have completed till the last video. Hope my regular viewers have already watched those problems, got a good command on how to compute the tax liability when a person is having agriculture and non-agricultural income. And what are the provisions of Income Tax Act regarding the taxability of agricultural income. All these things I have explained in the last video. So if you have not watched, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject Advanced Aspect of Income Tax. Watch the first theory video on agricultural income. Then only you can be able to understand this. And before that, I expect every viewer is having a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Without problems, you cannot be able to understand the solutions. So take a screenshot of the solutions of 8th and 9th problem, then I am going to explain. Come on, see the 8th problem. Mr. Raja Harshavardhan is the owner of 10 acres of land in India. He leased out the land for agriculture purpose on 50% sharing crop agreement. During the previous year, he received 5 lakh rupees worth agriculture produce for his share. The Income Tax Act says whether rent or revenue derived from agricultural land either in cash or in kind is an agricultural income. Here the SSC has received 5 lakh rupees worth of agricultural produce which is grown on his agricultural land. So completely this 5 lakh rupees is agricultural income. Part of it is used for daughter's family consumption and the remaining he sold for 4 lakh. So the sale proceed received on selling this agricultural produce is agricultural income. So rent received and revenue received both are agricultural income. What he received 5 lakh rupees worth, that is agriculture. 4 lakh rupees he sold the agricultural produce and received 4 lakh, that is also agricultural income. Determine his tax liability. He don't have any non-agricultural income. He is having only one income, agricultural income. And according to provisions of Income Tax Act under section 10 subsection 1, if a person is having only agricultural income, it is completely exempted from tax. No tax liability is there. So how to write? Agricultural land, rent received in kind and sale of such agricultural produce is treated as agricultural income. He don't have any non-agricultural income, hence the tax liability is nil. That's it. This is the end of problem number 8. Now the 9th problem. Calculate income from agriculture and tax liability of Srimati Veera Mani for the following particulars of income. So we have to compute how much is the income from agriculture and what is the tax liability. First point, income from tea plants 1,25,000, income from coffee plants 2 lakh, income from rubber plants 60,000, income from house property, this is non-agriculture, 2,50,000, income from long-term capital gain LTCG 1,80,000. Income Tax Act has given there are some incomes which are partly agriculture and partly non-agriculture. Example, income earned from tea plants, income earned from coffee plants, income earned from rubber plants. The Income Tax Act has given the percentage. How much percentage of income will be agriculture and how much percentage will be non-agriculture. For example, in case of tea plants, Income Tax Act says 60% is agriculture, 40% is non-agriculture. So whatever income earned from tea plants, we have to segregate 60-40. 60 agri and 40 non-agri. Similarly, coffee plant. The Income Tax Act has given if a person is having an income from coffee plants, 75% agri and 25% non-agri. Similarly, rubber plants. The Income Tax Act has given 65% will be agri, 35% will be non-agriculture. That's it. So, name of the crop, total income is given in the problem. Now we have segregated into agriculture income and business income. In case of tea plant, the total income given in the problem 1,25,000. We calculate 60% agriculture and 40% non-agriculture. So out of 1,25,000, 75,000 is agriculture and 50,000 is business income. Then coffee plant 75%. The total income is given 2 lakh. 75% of 2 lakh, 1,50,000 agri and 50,000 business income. Rubber plant 65-35. Total income is given 60,000. 60,000 into 65%, 39,000 is agricultural income. And 35% of 60,000, 21,000 is business income. Now total income given in the problem 3,85,000. Out of the 3,85,000, 2,64,000 is agricultural income and 1,21,000 is the business income. The first question it is asking you, calculate the income from agriculture. So income from agriculture is 2,64,000. These percentages you have to remember because it will not specify in the problem. Income Tax Act has given the percentages, right? Now, income from business is 1,21,000. You can see here 1,21,000 we got income from business. Income from house property is given in the problem 2,50,000. The non-agricultural income is 3,71,000 and agricultural income is 2,64,000. We got 2,64,000. So both the conditions are satisfied. Agricultural income is more than 5,000. Non-agricultural income is more than 2,50,000. So we can club, integrate. And one point you remember, while integrating the income, long-term capital gain should not be included. Separately, it will be taxable at a flat rate of 20%. Long-term capital gain is separately taxable at a flat rate of 20%. It should not be included while integrating the agri and non-agri. So here I have written the note. Step 1, to a tax on total income. Total income means agriculture income plus non-agriculture. Non-agriculture income 3,71,000, agriculture income 2,64,000. So add up both, we will get 6,35,000. So slab income rate tax up to 2,50,000 no tax, basic exemption limit 2,50,000 nil. Second slab 2,50,000 1 to 5 lakh. 2,50,000 is the income, rate of tax 5%, 12,500. Now total income is 635. The next slab goes from 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh, but our income is not 10 lakh. That's why I am taking balance. So 6,35,000 minus 5 lakh 1,35,000. 20%, 27,000. The tax on total income is 39,500. Tax on total income. Now tax on exempted income. Exempted income means agriculture income plus basic exemption limit. Agriculture income 2,64,000. Basic exemption 250. So total 514 is the exempted income. Now tax on exempted income as usual. So slab up to 2,50,000 nil. 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, second slab. 2,50,000 is the income, 5%, 12,500. Now next slab 2,50,000 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh. But our income is not 10 lakh, 5 lakh 14,000. So I am taking balance. Balance 14,000, 20%, 2,800. So tax on exempted income 15,300. Now step 3, income tax is equal to tax on total income minus tax on exempted income. Tax on total income, here we have calculated 39,500. So 39,500 minus 15,300. 24,200 is the tax on normal income. Tax on normal income. Plus tax on LTCG, long-term capital gain. It is given in the problem 1,80,000 is the LTCG, on which 20% is the rate of tax. So 20% of 1,80,000, 36,000. Take the total 60,200. Tax rebate will not be given because the total income is more than 5 lakh. The total income is more than 5 lakh. That's why here 3,71,000 is the non-agriculture income plus 1,80,000 is the LTCG. So total income is more than 5 lakh, no tax rebate. So LTC 60,800. Add health and education cess 4%, 2,408. Total is 62,608. 62,608. Now rounded off to the next 10 rupees. This 8 rupees will be converted into 10 rupees because according to rules of income tax, the total tax should be rounded off to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means 610. So 62,610 is the tax liability. That's it. So in this video I have completed 8th and 9th problem. Inshallah next problem will continue in the next video.